Hello friends, very good evening. And today topic is boards and stream. So the other day we have discussed a little bit of fundamental about the boards and stream related basic. So let's move on and see this particular question. What is this question? The boards takes 3 hours more while going to stream upstream than in downstream. Okay, so what does it mean upstream? So when the boat is moving along against the current, we call it as upstream, and when the boat is moving along with the current, we call it as a downstream. And it is said that a boat takes 3 hours more for going to upstream than to downstream. If a downstream speed is x hour, time is x hours, so here it is x plus 3 hours. That's what given in the question. Okay. If the distance between the two places is 40 kilometer, so the distance given where the boat is traveling is 40 kilometer, and the speed of the boat in still water is 6.5 kilometer. So that means the boat speed, that's a 6.5 kilometer. This is what the information we have. Then the question is, what must be the speed of the boat in still water so that it can downstream 10 kilometer in 10 hours. So in order to get the downstream speed, I need to find out the speed of the stream. So this is what the speed of the boat is. That is speed of the boat is 6.5. Then where is the speed of the stream? Where is the speed of the stream? So the speed of the stream, this will help us, this equation will help us to get the speed of the stream. How is it? Let's assume that the speed of the stream is y kilometer per hour. Then this 40 kilometer for upstream's time, that is 40 divided by upstream. So that is the speed of the boat minus speed of the stream. That is 6.5. In other word, I can take it as 13 by 2. 13 by 2, or else I can move on the same way. That is 6.5, and we are taking the time of upstream. So therefore, I should take the speed of upstream here, and the upstream speed is the speed of the boat minus speed of the stream, that is minus y. This is the time for upstream minus the time for downstream. The same distance is there, that is 40 divided by downstream speed, and the downstream speed is the sum of the speed of boat plus the speed of stream, and that is 6.5 plus x, and it is given that is equal to how much? 3 hours. So this is time for upstream minus time for downstream is equal to 3 hours. Now from solving this equation, I will get the value of x, but again there is a lengthy process to solve this equation. So what should I do? I should go with the hit and trial method, where I can find it out what value should be placed in place of y so that it can satisfy the equation. So this part, 1 minute. So this part minus this part should be equal to 3. So what should I place the value of x? So let's see that. And another thing, that the x is in the decimal 6.5, and the next I notice it here, that's 40 is multiple of 4 and multiple of 8, multiple of 5. So I should make this number in such a way that it should be dividing 40. So what should be the value of y? Now if I take the value of y 1.5, what happens to this total? The total will be that's a 6.5 plus 1.5. I am getting this as 8, which divides 40. And if I take the same 1.5, if I am taking over here, I am getting 5 over here, right? So we need to add in that case. So I am getting, okay, here it's a subtraction, 6.5 minus 1.5. I am getting over here is 5. Okay, the 5 divides 40. The same way 6.5 plus 1.5, and then it comes a 8, and I see that 8 divides 40. So here 40 divided by 5, I will be getting 8 here, and then 40 divided by 8, I will be getting 5 here, and the 8 minus 5 is 3. So like that we go with the hit and trial method in order to satisfy the equation. So I notice that the x value is nothing but 1.5. It's done. Now I should get the question is said that what must be the speed of the boat in still water so that the downstream 40 km in 10 hours. So that means what should be the downstream speed? The speed of the downstream should be 40 divided by 10, and that is nothing but 4 km per hour. That should be the speed of downstream, and the speed of downstream is the speed of the stream plus the speed of the boat, and the speed of the stream is 1.5. And what should be the speed of the boat? So that the downstream should be 4. The speed of the boat should be, that's a 2.5. So that 1.5 plus 2.5, I get 4. So you can see that somewhere 4 is there. So that's your answer. So like that there are, it's a very important chapter where and there are alternate ways are there than the bookish way to answer this question. So I request you to please join my classes in Unacademy, and presently there are 2 batches going on Unacademy, that is 10 AM to 11:30 AM, and यहाँ पे basic course बताया जा रहा है. So for example it's a profit and loss is going on now. तो यहाँ पे इंट्रोडक्शन से लेकर मॉडरेट लेवल तक क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करते हैं. एंड द इवनिंग दैट इज 7 PM to 8 PM, एंड दिस इज एन प्रैक्टिस बैच जहाँ पे मॉडरेट लेवल से एडवांस लेवल के डिफरेंट चैप्टर्स डिस्कस करते हैं. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू प्लीज ज्वाइन इन माई क्लास, एंड माई नेम इज नरेंद्र Mata. So in Unacademy, in the faculty list, you can just search by this name, and my referral code is Narendra07. So if someone is joining new, they can use this referral code, that is Narendra07, and they will be getting a 10% discount on the course fees. So thank you for watching this video.